Hey guys, Vintage J here, and
Vintage B.
and today I'm gonna be doing unboxing on the Piggy Series 3 Unlimited Bundle, the Robbie head or piggy bank.
So it looks like it got a mystery plush, mystery minifigure, mystery action figure, mystery sticker sheet, and mystery poster, and Robbie cosplay.
So we're just gonna cut it. Okay. Okay.
I can take this off real quick.
Yeah. And then,
So
okay, we got it open.
So we got some bags for the different little parts we did. So that's a lot of stuff right here.
Okay.
Oh, this is the poster.
Okay.
Or sticker sheet. Let me see what else we got right here.
Okay. Okay.
I think
So.
a big Robbie sticker.
Yep. Right
Like
here.
maybe, I don't know if it's like for the live box or something. Was there anything else in here? Let's see. Oh, there is something else.
Okay. This probably is the poster.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go. Let me see what you get. It's kind of okay. Oh, two posters?
Okay, they're kind of rolled up together.
One little
Oh,
it's friendly rod.
so we got two. Oh, so we got like a layout of like the plans for them and
Blueprints.
okay, the blueprints. Yeah,
And then the stickers, so that's what we got right there. So that's the sticker.
Let's open up. I think this is the plush.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the plush.
Okay, so we're going to open that.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
I saw something over there.
Okay. Oh, we
little
got a
Robbie
little
head.
Robbie hen. That's cool.
It's pretty cute.
So we'll just put what I have gotten over here.
So I don't think maybe it's the parts for the costume. Maybe. Let's see what this is.
Okay.
Don't cut it.
Okay. So.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a little blow up.
Let's see. Oh, a little saw.
The chainsaw.
Yeah. His little weapon.
Yeah.
Okay, so blow up. So we got the two posters, sticker, and the plush, and then the little costume thing.
Okay.
I say, how about this one?
Okay.
Yeah, that one. What would that one be?
I don't know.
I think it's like the other part for the costume. Okay, we get that.
Oh,
yeah,
we got
Robbie's
the eye.
Yeah, so it like works as an eye patch. So we put that over here with the costume.
Okay, and then
I
I think this is a minifigure.
Minifigure, or yeah, it's a minifigure. I think. Still three more stuff. Yep, that you gotta open that. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Let's see.
Here. Okay.
There it is.
Okay, we got a little Robbie mini.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. We got two more bags.
These are the last two. see this. Oh, I know what this is. It's the snout. Okay, to wear. There we go. I can do this. I can do it. You got it opened up.
And okay, yeah, it's the snout.
We can. Oh, there's a little thing.
This is the last,
the
and
big
it should be the action figure. So.
Here we go.
Oh, Robbie. Looks pretty cool.
Just like the figure you can get.
Okay.
So, yeah, you got the little minifigure.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.